Rama Narayana Ram. From each and every word, a tune is coming out as a mixture of so many sounds. The universal sound is the combined tune of all those sounds. Everything is coming into being from this eternal tune of the void. The great spiritual leaders, those who are very powerful, use this universal sound as the mantra and infuse it with their inborn power. So the mantra given by a guru who has inborn spiritual authority carries immense power. Those who keep their mind always engrossed in the thought of Guru and Guru Mantra have a cakewalk to their goal. The more we suffer in our journey of life, the more our advancement towards enlightenment becomes easy. Guru takes all the responsibilities of those disciples also who do less japa but remember Guru all the time. Nothing else will remain but only the tune of the holy chanting. So go door to door, reach out for everyone and spread the Mahanam Rama Narayana Ram, which is the extract of the eternal tune of the void. Make the world flooded with the tune of the Mahanam. It will awaken the conscience in everyone, then there will be only the tune of oneness all over, and the earth will become the heaven itself. Rama Narayana Ram.